So what is Power Automate? Power Automate helps you streamline and automate your business processes and automate repetitive tasks. It has an intuitive interface with so many connectors that allows you to create workflows with little or no knowledge of coding. Basically, you can drag and drop components to set up an automated workflow. Think of it like your personal digital assistant that never sleeps. Power Automate can help you with things like sending emails, updating spreadsheets, moving files, or even approving requests. You don't need to be a programmer. You can just build a flow, kind of like connecting building blocks, and Power Automate will take care of the rest. So let's give an example. Let's say every time you receive a customer inquiry by email, you normally would copy the details of the email into Excel. Then next, you send a confirmation message back to the customer. And after that, you notify your team in Microsoft Teams. All of this can be done with Power Automate. You don't need to keep repeating the same process over and over again. You can just automate this workflow. So let's talk about Power Automate features. Number one, Power Automate gives you access to multiple types of flows. You get access to multiple types of flows depending on the different use cases that you have. You have automated cloud flows, you have desktop flows, you've got instant cloud flows. Depending on what you're trying to do, even business process flows. Power Automate gives you a wide range of types of flows that you can use for your use case. Number two, hundreds of connectors to apps. You can connect to hundreds of apps, both from Microsoft like Outlook, Excel, SharePoint, and all of that, and even third-party apps like Google Sheets, Dropbox, Trello, Slack, even Twitter. This means you can automate almost any workflow across the tools that you already use. Number three, built-in AI with AI Builder. You can use AI features that are already built into Power Automate to read text from documents or images, detect sentiments in messages, predict outcomes, and even extract data from forms or invoices. This can be useful in finance, HR, customer service, or any other area of the business that you work. Number four, Power Automate has a drag and drop flow designer. The flow builder is visual. No code is needed. Just search for actions, drag them in, and connect them step by step. Number five, expressions and logic controls. If you're trying to build more complex logic, you can use Power Automate. It has got expressions that you can use, conditions, it's got switch cases, loops, do until, all sort of expressions and logic controls that you can use to build complex logic and complex flows. Number six, data operations. You can easily use Power Automate to manipulate data inside of your flow. This is key when you're working with stuff like APIs, Excel rows, or even raw data. Number seven, access to approval workflows. You can create structured approval process. For example, leave requests, expense approvals, or even document sign-offs. With Power Automate, you can do all of that. Number eight, Power Automate Copilot. With Copilot, you can literally describe what you want in plain English and Copilot to build a flow draft for you.